Hi there. When it comes to managing your health and pain, the options can feel overwhelming. Let's break them down simply. First, stem cell phototherapy. It's non-invasive, highly accessible, and uses your body's own light to activate your body's own stem cells for the healing that you need. You see, inflammation is often the root cause of pain. Stem cell phototherapy helps your body eliminate that inflammation, naturally easing your pain and supporting long-term health. Then there are injected stem cells. While effective, they are often expensive and require multiple clinic visits. Finally, medications. They're common, but they often come with a long list of side effects and usually just mask the symptoms. When we compare cost, accessibility, and safety, phototherapy often stands out as the most balanced and sustainable choice. Ready to learn more? Click the link in the description for a brief 15-minute meeting. As a thank you, you'll receive my very easy-to-read free ebook, How to Use AI to Cut 90% of Doctor Visits. Thank you for your time.